Hello and welcome to CryptoBit, your ultimate source for all things related to cryptocurrency. Today, we will be discussing one of the most important aspects of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology. At its core, blockchain technology is a decentralized, distributed ledger system that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. It is essentially a database that is distributed across a network of computers, and it consists of a chain of blocks, each containing a unique code that links it to the previous block, creating a chain of data that is virtually impossible to alter. The key feature of blockchain technology is that it is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by a single entity or organization. Instead, it is run by a network of users who work together to maintain the integrity of the system. This makes it incredibly difficult for hackers or other malicious actors to manipulate the system, as there is no central point of control for them to attack. So, how does blockchain technology actually work? When a transaction is made on a blockchain network, it is added to a block, which is then added to the blockchain. This block is verified by a network of computers called nodes, who work together to ensure that the transaction is legitimate and that the block is added to the chain in a secure and transparent way. One of the main advantages of blockchain technology is that it is transparent, meaning that anyone can view the transactions that take place on the network. This helps to promote trust and accountability, as users can see exactly where their money is going and how it is being used. Another advantage of blockchain technology is that it is immutable, meaning that once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This makes it incredibly difficult for fraud or other types of financial crime to take place on the network. In addition to its use in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain technology has many other potential applications. For example, it could be used to create secure voting systems, track supply chains, or even manage medical records. The possibilities are endless, and we are only just scratching the surface of what this technology can do. However, it's important to note that blockchain technology is not without its limitations. For example, it can be slow and costly to process large amounts of data, and there are still some security concerns that need to be addressed. Despite these limitations, blockchain technology has already had a profound impact on the world of finance, and is continuing to revolutionize the way we interact with digital assets. As more and more industries begin to adopt blockchain technology, it is likely that we will see even more innovative use cases emerge in the years to come. When it comes to cryptocurrency, blockchain technology enables the creation of decentralized digital currencies that operate outside of traditional financial systems. The first and most well-known example of this is Bitcoin, which was created in 2008 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin uses blockchain technology to enable secure and transparent transactions without the need for a central authority. Since the creation of Bitcoin, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been developed, each with their own unique features and use cases. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. These cryptocurrencies have their own blockchains, which are used to process and verify transactions on their respective networks. It's also worth noting that while blockchain technology is incredibly powerful, it is not without its challenges. For example, the energy consumption required to operate some blockchain networks, such as Bitcoin, has raised concerns about their environmental impact. In addition, there are still regulatory challenges that need to be addressed, as blockchain technology is still a relatively new and evolving field. Despite these challenges, the potential applications of blockchain technology are vast and varied. From cryptocurrencies to smart contracts to data security, blockchain technology is already changing the way we think about digital assets and transactions. And as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge in the years to come. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a decentralized, distributed ledger system that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. It is the backbone of many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, and has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries beyond finance. Despite its challenges, the power of blockchain technology is undeniable, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of what it can do. Thank you for watching this video on blockchain technology in simple words. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology.